Good morning, everybody. Yeah, what is this? What's Deep Seek? I was in the mountains all weekend, so I literally was not on social media. I have no clue what this is. Interesting. Let's get it. Let's get this YouTube sent out and then we're ready to rock. Cool. What's up, everybody? Good morning. Hopefully, everybody's had an amazing weekend. Hopefully, you're ready to lock in and crush it. I will say, we destroyed every single key level that we have as far as bounces. The only other one that we have, I believe, it's lower, 5905. So, I mean, if we get down there, obviously I'll watch it. It's 100 points away. I think our best bet is to look for a reject around the 1 hour 21 EMA, but even that's 50 points away. Um, but yeah, FOMC is on Wednesday, and what I put in my pre-market notes is typically trading before FOMC. It's not my favorite. That's where I tend to get chopped up, have red days, so it might be boring in these live streams the next couple of days, but in past experience, I know when to trade and when not to trade. So I am only going to trade if there is a high probability setup. I can go these next 2-3 days without trades, but I know on Thursday and Friday, if I get a good setup and I use size, we'll make our profit. Don't worry. We've been on a pretty good green streak recently. So let's see if we can keep it up. Most important thing though, high probability setups only. Trying to get mentored? Well, make sure you hop in my mentorship that starts next Monday. Put the type form in the chat for you so you can apply for it. If my Google stops being slow. There it is. Here is the wait list if you want to get mentored. There you go. There's the link. Ugh. Anyways, what we got? We got 6 minutes. I literally got home 20 minutes ago. But I'm ready to lock in. Yes. Andrew is indeed. Let's get the Zoom chat pulled up. Huh. I'm gonna have to look into DeepSeek. You entered 2 losing trades. We're 27 days into January. And you've had 2? That's good. Nah, I ain't got nothing. No fib levels. There's nowhere to take it from. Not yet, at least. I mean, I guess you could take here to here. Where does this take us? But that's like, you know, still pretty high up. We'll see, though. Well, YG size is pretty big. You should be using risk management. Risk management is the most important. I need to wake up, though. Let's get it. Again, A+ setups only. It is completely okay not to trade between now and Wednesday before FOMC. Now, when they announce FOMC, that's a different story. Speaking of which, I gotta move my haircut. Where's my barber? There he is. There we go. Cool. No, I just haven't been to that Vail place. I just moved here in August. So went to go see Vail. It was cool. I want to go for a longer weekend soon. Yeah, it was cool. Let's see, we got ES, NQ, SPX. Nice. You should get it back and give it to me for helping you find all these banger trades, you know? A repayment to your mentor. I guess I don't know too much about this DeepSeek stuff, so I don't know how it's going to affect AI going forward. Stuff like Nvidia and AMD. So I don't know. It depends on DeepSeek. I'm sure if it's strong enough, they'll probably ban it from the US, if I had to guess. Especially because we got Papa Trump, who wouldn't like that. Oh, no, though. We'll see. One minute. Again, I cannot stress the importance of this. Through years of trading, right? When I tend to have red days, the week that I tend to have the most red days or get chopped up in the market is FOMC week before FOMC actually comes out. So I cannot stress the importance of A+ setups only. I think it's pretty loud. It's showing on my audio that it's doing good. I don't know though. Put it closer, I guess. All right, really big gap down on SPX. I mean, if SPX pushes up towards 6,000, I'd actually like that for a reject. What do you want? We're in a downtrend. I mean, we're in a downtrend on the lower time frame, but on the weekly, we're in an uptrend. Plus, based off this candle right here, they found buyers. Where's VWAP? Right there. Yeah, let's let the market settle for like 10, 15 minutes based off of this gap down. And then we can look from there. Spreads are super wide on SPX. They need to narrow. Can't even talk today. Anyways, they're like 25 wide. If we hit 6,000 and the spreads tighten, then I'd be interested in a reject. Just casual 30-point pump off the open. I sound low. I don't know what you mean. It's showing that I sound good. Spreads are still super wide. Patiently waiting. We got so close to that 6,000. Just the spreads were too wide. Let's actually watch these fibs. 605375, 6078 are obviously chances of hitting this is way higher, but I'll look for a reject there if we actually get up there. It's about 30 points away, but first 5-minute candle was 30 points, so definitely a possibility. See what the level is on NQ. Probably take it from this high. Oh yeah, I also got more FFF accounts. Maybe we can blow some of those today. Psych. Let's watch this ES level because we're cranking. $6053. I'm also gonna watch it's like 600.3 on Spy. I don't know. What you guys thinking? What you guys like? Seen anything good? I mean, the market just opened. It's only been open for 8 minutes. Just have to wait and see. But if it gets my key level, I'm taking it. Would like a really big move up into the level. I'm gonna have the 600 puts pulled up on Spy. Might actually get up there. I'd be shocked if we went straight up to it, but guess we'll see. or even a pullback to 596.50. We can see what happens there. For calls. That's what I'll be watching. 596.50. See if we bounce. 596.40, give or take. We are rejecting off that 6,000 SPX. I'd prefer the fibs. Cat's on crack. Anyways, let's see if we get this pullback. All right, actually, let's get the 597 calls pulled up on SPY. If we can get this pullback. I want to see what happens at 596.40. Maybe not. What you gonna do? You gonna go to our level or you gonna pull back? I'll also watch NQ around like 21174 for a potential bounce. See if we have any news today. I didn't even check that. Existing home sales at 10, so what is that? 15 minutes. Actually, let me get signed into the funded account. Let's have some fun with that. It's gonna load. Let's see. Trade evades. Oh, never mind. That's gonna be too much of a pain in the ass today. I gotta do a bunch of stuff to get it connected to TradingView. Unless I can get it pulled up on TradeAvate. Whoops. Can't type my password. All right, I think we're good. It's gonna let me switch my account. Come on now. There we go. Okay. Sorry, I'm just getting everything set up. Oh no. No, no, no. How am I placing an order? Hold up. No. Get out of here. This is why I don't use TradeAvate. This is why I like TradingView. How do I get rid of this? I don't know how to get rid of this, so we're just gonna look at it. But this should be, what do we got? 21306. Yeah, that's real-time data. All right, cool, cool. So if I feel like gambling, we are going to... How do I get rid of this line? Oh, I just gonna, no, no. Stay. Just like that. Okay, we're good. Christ. We're still rejecting that 6,000 on SPX. Again, I would just prefer the fibs if I'm going to take it. Got like a little bull flag going on here. I told Jadon and Danny, oh my god, Jadon and Danny, I would not blow these FFF accounts. So let's see if we can stick to the rule. No more trading 5 NQs at once. 2 at most. Just got like a little bull flag going on. Right there. Alright. Can we get through this 6,000 on SPX and make our move up into the fib? Again, 60.53 and then 21.421 for NQ. Alright, we're trying to get above that 6K. Kind of holding above it. But we have news in 5 minutes. Market's probably just going to sit here until we get that news. Still interested in that 596.40. It's even better now because we have VWAP there. This area right here. Good God, this one sucks. How do I fix this? No. Whatever. We're gonna watch like... Bro, what? We're gonna watch in this area right here. What is wrong with this? I don't know. Anyways. 60-10. Anywhere up to 60-15. This entire area. Just waiting. Yeah, you can still get my trading books. They're both on Amazon. Three minutes till news. 1 minute. So we just get a big move up level, look for the reject on ES or NQ, take a short. Push it. Right into the level. Push it. Tell you what though, this price action is very choppy besides that first 2 minute candle. So far. Obviously that could change. I get the market to like 8:45. See if it does anything. We are building a base on top of 6K though. Well, while it's sitting here chopping, I'm gonna go make a protein shake real quick. So give me like 2 minutes and I'll be back. This is very exciting price action, everybody. Sorry, it took a little longer, but yeah, still willing to watch this 596.40. And then our rejects, obviously, but this shit's slow. Hopefully none of you guys are trading this. I really hope not. Good. A plus setups only. Nah, use FFF. I'll get you my link and use discount code Brandon. You'll get 35% off. Actually, I gotta find my link. I don't know what happened to it. Good. Sit on your hands for now. Oh, Cody. Remember what I said at the beginning of this stream? When I tend to have the most red days or get chopped up in the market, it's the days leading up to FOMC. That's why I'm saying super, super patient. Where the hell is my FFF link? There it is. All right, so use this link and use discount code Brandon, 35% off. Might even be more right now. I don't know. Are we gonna get the move now? Ooh. Still watch that pre-market high. See if we retest it. Here's another thing too. I want you guys to think about when you take positions today. This might not look like a lot, right? But if you shorted right now, just because like I'm looking at SPX and it kind of is validating a short entry, this doesn't look like big candles. But if you shorted right now at 6026, your stop is above here. That's about 15 points. Which, I mean, obviously 15 times 50, that's a good chunk for one ES. So it's just something to keep in mind. When volatility jumps around like this, candles don't look big, but in actuality, they are very big. Boring. Thank you for the subscribe. Are we gonna get the pool? Remember, 596.50 to 596 is what I'm watching. Come on, get a little lower. Like literally 40 cents lower is what I want. Okay, let's see what happens on this pullback. We're getting close to VWAP. If I take a trade, it's just going to be on my funded today. Not risking any of my own capital. Thank you for the subscribe. Better not bounce early. Come on, get lower. Still one lower. Why not get this one? I wanted lower. Yeah, it's probably going to get that push now. But I personally wanted it to get a little lower for my entry. Again, I'm being very, very picky. Very, very picky. See if we get a dip back down for a better risk to reward. Be interested in longs. If we can find a good entry, we should look to take it back up into those fibs. Yeah, it's just gonna push. All right, let's watch the fibs. If we can get a nice push up into it. Maybe this is our dip for a long. Mm. Yeah, let's just wait for the fib. Was indeed the dip for the long, I'll tell you that. But 600.3, we're getting close to our NQ level of 21421. Yeah, it's a 6053. So a little higher. Whoops. Typed in the wrong chat. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Looks like we're going to hit the fibs at the same time. Need the market to get up to a level like ASAP. Gotta go get my dog soon. It's a fib level. Good old Fibonacci. Come on. We're getting close. Imagine we swung puts out of that supply zone when we double topped on Friday. Sheesh. We're about to hit it. Let's see. 21421. Try one. Try one right here. Don't tell Danny I'm trading NQ. I treat these FFF accounts more as gambling. So, if you take this, it's higher risk. Just gonna throw that out there. I'll be willing to add one more though, if we do actually get up into the level. It didn't say the order filled thing though. Order filled. Don't tell Jadon and Danny I'm trading NQ. I think the ES level is going to be higher probability though. We'll see. Like to see us lose this or get down to like 516 on QQQ, like 21341 on NQ. Right there. Got a lot of buyers we got to take out though. Again, this is just me messing around with my FFF account. I think we're close. Yeah, I actually like that a lot. Can you like load? We good? We cut out? Hello? I don't even know how to put the stop on trade of 8, actually. I don't know. Let's have fun with trade of 8 today. Usually do it through Trading View. Yeah, let's see what happens at the actual level. Let's see, 21421. Yeah, there's better risk reward here. All right, we're in 2. Don't tell Danny. Again, this is like a technical level, though. It's just I'm not risking my own capital for this. Would like to see us get down here, though. I do want to watch this 600.3 on SPY, though. If we get above the technical level on this NQ, obviously I'll just cut it, focus on SPY, and actually use my own money. Okay, we actually hit the level on this NQ. Let's see what we do. We like actually hit it to a point. So this is where I would actually be looking for a real entry. So I might add one more depending on this close. Yeah, I'll go ahead and add one more. We break above 61.21, I'll close. This is where I would look for a real entry. I want to drop it. My average is kind of screwed up. But if you got like the real entry, you're already up a decent amount of points. A little more of a drop. Manage the position however you want, by the way. I was just being a little degenerate, so my average kind of screwed. A little more of a drop so I can cover 2. And then just keep the 1. There we go. Okay, I'm going to cover 2 right here. Leave 1 remaining. If we pop back up towards break even, I'll cut it. Which would be 100K on this account. Again, if you got the real entry, you got a good average. There we go. All right. I'm going to close it. I close mine. Internet's cutting in and out too. But did you guys get the real average on that? How do I pop open the executions? Might actually go lower, to be honest with you. But how do I, does anybody know? How do I make it click the top right? Where? I just want to see where that real entry was. How do I do it? Oh shit. No, we don't want that. Yeah, I mean, manage the position however you guys want. Big plus in the upper left to pull up orders. I don't want it that big. Oh, there we go. Where was the real entry? Buy. This was the real, I think. Hold on. No, there's a way for it to pop up on the screen of like order execution. I don't know how the hell to do it, to be honest. There's your price target, though. I'm so confused. That shows the profit. Like, damn it. There's a way that it like literally shows arrows where you execute in. Click on chart settings in the top right. I don't know. I'll figure it out tomorrow. But it was close up here, like almost to that top. Had to have been like somewhere around here. 21,411 was the real like where I would enter. And then it dropped about 70 points. I'll say. Oh, I don't know how to do it. I'm confused. I should actually end up being the top today too. Chart settings is that box looking icon next to the candle icon. Oh no. All I know is I need to go get my dog. I'll figure it out like tonight though when I get home. But yeah, if you guys caught the real entry at that 21421 that we were talking about, very nice move to the downside. Even if you wanted to gamble with me a little bit on the first two orders and then add the final one, still a green trade. So let's continue to crush it. Maybe we'll get a payout this week if we keep trading good. I don't know, to be honest. It's a funded account. I was just gambling on NQ. Having fun. But yeah, let's do it again tomorrow. Trade safe, trade smart if you're going to continue to trade. And yeah, everybody have a blessed day.